Hi everyone, today we are going to be using our AquaBrick food storage container kit to be able to be packing sugar. Now sugar is one of those items that does not need oxygen absorbers, so we will not be using the packet that comes in as part of your kit, but we will be using the AquaBrick to put that in. So we're going to go ahead and set that brick down. We are going to take the Aqua Funnel and make sure that's nice and snug on the brick there. Well, I've just got my sugar in bulk this week, and we're just going to go ahead and, easy enough, just go ahead and pour it into the brick. There might be a few chunks and things that will come through. That's not a problem. We're just going to go slow, fill it up as best we can. And what I like to do is after a little bit, we'll just go ahead and shake that brick and make sure everything gets down and settled nice and easy. And then go ahead and keep filling it up. We'll do, this is a 25-pound bag of sugar. We'll see how much actually can fit in the brick. We're filling up here. Should be about 20 pounds. We'll go ahead and tamp that down a little bit more. See if we can't get more in there. All right, I think we can get a little bit more. There we go. Just about 25 pounds. We'll just push it as much as we can, possibly, if you can. All right, there we have it. So actually, I think, well, we're just going to top it off all the way. We're going to get a little bit more in here. Make sure it's nice and full. There we go. All right, that'll be great. Just about 25 pounds in there, so that's wonderful. Then, since we don't need to put the oxygen in, like I mentioned earlier, we'll just go ahead and dust off that. Make sure there's a good surface here for a seal, and put our cap on there, tighten it nice and tight, and we're good to go. We'll get that labeled here in a little bit as well, and your sugar will be good indefinitely as long as it's stored in an airtight container, which it is. Now there is one thing I wanted to show you. We did store some brown sugar a while ago. My label here says brown sugar November of 2022. So just wanted to show you how well it stores in those containers. We'll just dig it right out here, and it's still nice and soft, as you can see. It hasn't hardened like a rock, and it has stored very well over the last several years. So we're gonna have to, you can see how that's nice and soft and ready to use. So that's the benefits of using the AquaBrick, is it is an airtight sealed container, and you can store your food in there for long periods of time. Hope that this video has been helpful. Oh, got it. Hopefully that video has been helpful. Go ahead and look down below for some good recipes, as well as a link to find the AquaBrick food storage container kit available on our website. Thanks and have a good day.